Hi YouTube.
Hey guys, where we at?
We are at somewhere in Nevada.
Telephone Cove.
Oh yeah, Telephone
right
Cove.
outside Laughlin, Nevada.
Yeah.
It's if I understand it right, it's BLM, but it's also a wildlife refuge.
Right.
So you can only stay 7 days.
7 days.
And it's about a 4+ mile back a windy, hilly, curvy dirt road that in some spots go down steep, sometimes they come up.
And there's one that's a what do you call those turns?
Switchback.
There's one that's a switchback.
So I'm not going to say there's not a couple tight spots, but we brought two 38s, a 34, and a 40-foot Class A in here, all with tows.
Yep.
So it can be done. Now, we was told they graded about twice a year. I have no idea. It looked like it'd been graded right before we got here. It wasn't washboarded or nothing. It wasn't that bad. You just take it easy and come in.
There's a couple really, really rough spots though.
If you come out of Laughlin and you climb the hill heading towards Vegas, when you turn right into it, it's almost to the top of the hill and you hang a right into it. There is a lot right there that you could go in if there's nobody in it and drop your toad and bring it in separate if you want to.
One, maybe two coaches at a time.
Yeah, but you're not going to get no more than that in.
And some places are even just one car. You know, you can't pass two, and it's only car width wide.
It's tight.
It's tight.
Yes.
Yeah. Nice places, you kind of got to do that sometimes.
You do, and it wouldn't hurt to get the toad in front of you if you're not sure about it. Get the toad in front of you and communicate between the two of you.
Yeah.
Not by cell phone.
No, we bought radios for that.
Yeah, you want radios.
Best thing we ever did.
Yeah,
we bought them. They worked out so well. Our friends got them, so now we don't have to share ours. We can, you know, when we're traveling together, we all have, you know, two-way radios. We got a GX something. I don't know what it is. It's not.
It's supposed to have a 35-mile range. It's about a 1.5 mile range on its best day. Now, if we did while we was in Parker, we probably got close to 3 miles out of it.
Yeah.
But the one guy was up on top of a mountain shooting down on us.
Yeah.
So 35 miles, I doubt it. But anyways, it works good.
Yeah.
But back to this.
Yes.
This is on the water. We have some footage we'll show you.
Oh, and this was the spot that I wanted to do because I wanted to get out in my kayak. We drug them clear out here from Ohio just so we could do this.
So you can camp probably, I'd say it's about 1/3 of a mile of shoreline that you can camp on.
Yeah.
It's not real level, but it's not so bad you can't get level. But be prepared for the weekends when the weekend campers come in with their families, and I'm not knocking this by no means, but when they come in, right now I could probably count 5 generators running, and it's probably noon on a Saturday.
Yeah.
And there's a lot of kids running around, so if that's not your thing, it doesn't bother us, but if that's your thing, then you may want to keep that in mind. In the summer, they say this place is 3 deep in the parking,
right.
You know, so.
Yeah, we were just talking about how it'd be cool if we lived close by and our kids could have grown up in a place like this. You know, with the kayaks, there's hiking, there's water, and it's not too deep everywhere. There's quite a bit of shallow water that they could, you know, play in and have just a good time.
There's 4 pit-type toilets.
Oh, yes.
They keep them very clean. Every day we have been here, somebody has come in. A truck comes in, has a water tank and all the cleaning. They wash them out, resupply them. They are super clean.
Super clean.
Yes, I wish 3 lakes in Florida was this clean.
Yep. There's a big old dumpster. And
there's
it is
a dumpster.
Big. It's a big old dumpster.
No water on site. You have to go find water somewhere. There's a couple of RV parks in Laughlin. You can go get water. There's no dump here, nothing. It's boondocking, but it's probably one of the prettiest places we've been.
Yeah. The sunsets are beautiful. Oh, of course it's Arizona. I mean, the sunsets in the desert are nothing like they are in
Nevada.
Oh, sorry, it is Nevada. Oops.
But if tight camping, boondocking with people really close to you, because there's no 15-foot rule here, I guarantee. If they are, they're not enforcing it. If that's not your thing, generators running in your thing, kids running, this is not the place for you.
And we've seen a park ranger every single day.
But if you can come in here through the week, this is very quiet. It's still crowded. It's all snowbirds in here. It's still crowded, but it's not so crowded that you could open your window and pass catch up between you and the guy next to you. It's nothing like that. But it's okay. Our TV antenna will get about 4 or 5 channels.
Yes.
If you don't, because ours is 20 foot up in the air. If you have the one on your coach, you're not gonna get anything in here. Cell service. Cell service is no service to 3G, but we put it on our booster. We go to 2 to 3 bars LTE. We're watching Netflix at night, put it on the booster, but it has to have a booster here. And it depends where you park, because Bill's right next to me, puts his on the booster and gets nothing.
Right.
Put mine on the booster and it works, and I'm assuming it's the way it got. I'm sure we're getting it from Laughlin, and it must be coming some way through the mountain, and it must have found a little crack to get through to hit us, I guess.
No idea.
It's a beautiful area. Like I said, it's 7 days. It's a 4-mile trek back into it. Laughlin's not, by the time you hit the hard road, it's 3 miles into Laughlin, maybe 2 to 3 miles.
Right.
And like I said, a little over 4 miles on the. We got here, we've been here 4 or 5 days, haven't we?
4 or 5 days, yeah.
But we left Parker. We was in Parker for a couple weeks on Shea Road. Didn't do a lot of filming. I threw in a little bit of footage where we was. It's the same place Jamie had the van build in November. We wasn't as far back as that. Shea Road is a awesome spot. The road,
telling all of our good spots.
The road from 95 for that first mile it sucks. That's all you can say. It's a shame that any road is that bad. It just, there's big holes. But then once you get past that 3/4 mile mark, it's a decent road. Go past the cattle gate.
Those holes are this deep.
And you can cruise back and just find a spot. We didn't shoot a lot of video there, but I'll try to add some into this where we was, because it's beautiful. But we have been out of cell phone, internet. I've not watched a video in probably 3 weeks on YouTube. I can't answer unless I go into town and try to answer anybody that's, commenting on a video.
And we're just trying to see everything and do it all.
It has been nice being unplugged. Trust me, you ought to try it sometime. Go a couple weeks where that cell phone can stay on the table on the coach and not be in your face all the time. Yeah. There's actually some pretty stuff out here to look at besides that cell phone.
Yeah.
But this is a nice place. I found it on freecampsites.net. I'll leave the link below. We also had some friends tell us about it.
Our friends said that if we don't do anything else while we're in this area, we have to come here.
Yes. And this is part of Lake Mead. I have to look it up, but it's something to do with Lake Mead in this area. But it's also called Mojave.
Yeah.
Something with Mojave. But we was told it's Telephone Cove. If you bring it up on Google Earth, it says Telephone Cove.
Yep.
For this little cove out here. But it is crystal clear water. It's beautiful. But as always, thanks for watching.
Oh, thanks. We've gained some new subscribers. Welcome.
Thanks to all.
Oh, yes.
We have to reorder stickers. We've sold them all. So,
yay.
There was one person that didn't leave a address, and if you're that person and have not got your sticker from us, give us your address.
Please.
Yes, or I'll figure out how to refund your money, one of the two. But we got to order more stickers. We're too short of getting them out, so we're going to order more from Sticker Mule, and we'll get them out to you. Thanks to everybody that's ordered them. Anything else?
Oh, I just can't say enough how pretty this is here.
Nope, we're going to leave here and we're going to head up towards Lake Mead and Boulder City and Vegas and slowly work our way north. It's cooling off, we left Yuma, and as we've ventured north, it just keeps getting cooler. Obviously, the time of year it is, so we're trying not to go too fast.
Yeah.
Because I don't want to be in the cold and the snow. So we're trying to slow down enough, and right now Vegas is about 8 to 10 degrees cooler than what it is right here.
Yeah.
So, and it's not cold by no means.
No. Well, I have a sweatshirt on, but the wind's cold, but I have shorts and flip-flops on too, so.
Right. So, as always, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs down. Like us on Facebook.
Instagram.
And we'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching, guys.
Bye.